Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today JSW MG Motor India is set to redefine the Indian automotive landscape in 2025 with its ambitious plans and upcoming models. This joint venture between JSW Group and MG Motor India, a subsidiary of SAIC Motor Corp, is gearing up to make a strong impact, particularly in the electric vehicle, EV, and luxury car segments. With JSW acquiring a 35% stake in MG India, which is expected to increase to 51% by 2025, the company is transitioning towards becoming a majority Indian-owned brand. This shift is crucial, as it aligns with the Indian government's push for more localized production and reduced dependency on imports, especially from China. One of the biggest announcements from JSW MG Motor India is the launch of a brand new luxury car lineup under the MG Select brand, set to debut in March 2025. This move signals the company's intent to compete in the high-end vehicle segment, which has been traditionally dominated by global giants like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi. The first model under this brand is expected to be a premium electric vehicle, featuring cutting-edge technology, a long-range battery, and advanced autonomous driving capabilities. The focus is on providing a high-performance, feature-rich experience that appeals to India's growing class of luxury EV buyers. The company is also making significant investments to expand its presence in India. A superscript 15,000 crore investment has been allocated to enhance production capabilities, establish new R&D centers, and increase local manufacturing. This initiative will not only help in job creation but will also ensure that the vehicles are designed specifically for Indian road conditions and consumer preferences. By focusing on localization, JSW MG Motor aims to reduce costs and make its vehicles more competitive in pricing compared to its rivals. Apart from the luxury segment, JSW MG Motor is also planning to introduce a range of affordable electric SUVs. Given the rising demand for EVs in India, fueled by government incentives and a growing charging infrastructure, MG's upcoming electric models are expected to challenge Tata, Mahindra, and Hyundai in the mainstream EV space. The company has already tested success with models like the MG ZS, and its new offerings will likely build on this success with better range, smarter connectivity features, and improved battery technology. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles are another key area where JSW MG Motor India is expected to focus. While fully electric cars are the future, hybrids serve as a bridge for consumers hesitant about complete electrification. With fuel prices constantly rising, hybrids offer a balance between efficiency and performance, making them an attractive choice for Indian buyers. MG's future hybrid models will likely feature modern powertrains that provide both fuel economy and an engaging driving experience. Another major advantage of this joint venture is its potential to turn India into a manufacturing hub for MG's global exports. The company is looking at exporting Indian-made MG cars to international markets, leveraging India's cost-effective production capabilities. This strategy not only strengthens MG's global footprint but also boosts India's image as a key player in the global automotive supply chain. With 2025 just around the corner, JSW MG Motor India is setting the stage for a transformative year. Whether it's luxury EVs, affordable electric SUVs, hybrids, or exports, the company's aggressive expansion plans indicate that MG is here to stay and compete at every level. The success of this joint venture will depend on how well it balances cost, technology, and customer expectations, but one thing is certain: JSW MG Motor India is all set to make a powerful impact in the Indian auto industry. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch of their much-anticipated vehicles.